Okay, let's carry on with this boxing up. What I wanted to say actually is before you carry on with this, if you find it easier to use images to do your boxing up, that's absolutely fine. If you would rather draw the images here rather than doing the writing in each of these boxes, that's fine. It's just to help you with your writing so you know what is going under each of those subheadings. So can you see, like here Mrs. Cockram did the other day, I put my story map into the different subheadings. You could also do that for your boxing up if that helps you, to just put your images for that section into your boxing up. That is absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. So what I might do now is I might actually try see if I can put one of my images into here. So what do elephants do? Let's find the what do elephants do section, which is, let me find it. Go all the way up here. What do elephants do? It is this one, isn't it? Because it's the picture of the people. So I'm going to copy that, and then let's see if this works. Oh, it has, yeah. So I've put my pictures now in the what do elephants do part. That's a good idea, isn't it? So if you see here, you can, the way to box up is, it's about helping us, the best way for you to do it. So if you want to add more information, you might want to write more bits, you could just want to have your pictures in these parts as well, okay? So what do elephants do? So we've got here, elephants are usually gentle animals. They are very clever and they can even find water from 3 miles away. They love to play in the water and they use mud and sand to help them, like a sunscreen to protect them from the sun. Why are elephants in trouble? Why are they in trouble? Okay. I might use my pictures for this part as well. So then we've got some with writing and some with pictures, and then you can choose which way you would rather do it, okay? So I might put my pictures on here as well. Why are elephants in trouble? So let me find that part. Why are elephants in trouble? Oh, I pressed cut by accident. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it into here. There. Okay. Sadly, elephants are in trouble. Many are hunted and killed by humans for their ivory tusks. Asian elephants also face threats from the tourist attractions, where people want to ride on their backs and they want to watch them using their trunks to paint with. It's just not very nice, is it? So that here, I've boxed up the information by using images here. So that's also fine. You can use images or words. Let's do our last box, okay? How can we help them? People only support elephant tourism because they want to be close to the magnificent animals. Let's get our picture for that part here. How can we help them? I hope this is helping you with this boxing up. How we can help them, okay? So people only support elephant tourism because they want to be close to a magnificent animal. But when they understand that the elephants only take part in these activities because they have been captured, humans might stop and they might think with how they can help them. Among family and friends, we can help to make a difference. If we don't help our elephants, they will become extinct. And extinction means they've gone forever. We do not want a world without extraordinary elephants, do we? Okay, so this here, you've got your images into each of the subheadings now. So when we come to do some writing, you've got this boxing up sheet to help you, okay? So when we come to do writing after the holidays, you will have this information with you ready and we'll be able to write these subheadings and write our information under each of the subheadings, okay? So can you see here? That's that extraordinary elephants information here that Mrs. Cochrane's got. You're going to write your very own version. Don't worry, it might take us a few goes to do this with it, but you're going to try your hardest, and we're just going to give it a good go at this writing. So when you come back after half term, you'll need this boxing up sheet and you will need your information map as well, okay? And we're going to be doing some shared writing. So Mrs. Cochrane will do it, and then you will do it too as well, okay? So don't worry, don't get scared or panicked by it. We'll do this step by step together, okay? We're in this together, and we're going to all have an amazing piece of information about extraordinary elephants, and you will become elephant experts too, okay? So I've shown you 2 ways there to do your boxing up. It's just about making sure you've got the information that you need in these boxes ready to help you with your writing. So it's just notes or it's just pictures that you will need, and they're just for you to use when you come to do your writing, okay? Right. Have a lovely day, everybody. And I just wanted to say as well, if you have got an older brother or sister at home as well, they might do all these boxing up if they're in year 3, 4, 5 or 6. They might have done this, or if you've got an even older one, so they might be able to help you too. Okay? Have a lovely day, everybody. And if this is your last lesson of today, I hope you have the most amazing half term and don't do anything. Just stay in your pajamas or go for walks or bake lovely things or watch some lovely films and get cozy, because I'm just so proud of all of you and how much you've been learning at the moment. It's really difficult, I know, and I just cannot wait for us all to be back together again. But keep working, keep trying hard, and have the most amazing time this half term, amazing relaxing time, okay? See you later, everybody. Bye.